Yesterday we did a little bit of simple subtraction. If you need to do any more practice of that, carry on with them. You had lots of questions to do, so carry on, do a few more from yesterday. Today we're going to be looking at subtraction problems where there's missing numbers and we have to work out what they are, okay? So we're going to start off on a number line because that's often a clear way of showing people things, and then we'll take away the number line, use our fingers, okay? So we've got, for our first question, it says 7 take away something equals 3. Now, obviously when it's subtraction, you know you start off with a bigger number, but when you get your answer, it has to be smaller because you're taking things away. So they've done the example for us and they've started at 7 and they've taken away a certain number until they've got to 4. So they knew where they started. Write that down on the whiteboard. They knew where they started. They didn't know how many they'd taken away. So 7 take away something equals 3. 7 take away something equals 3. They knew they had 7, they took away something, we're not sure what that is yet, and they got 3, so we need to work out what that something was. So to do that on the number line, they've started at 7 and they've counted back in jumps until they got to 3. So they did 7, taken away 1 each time, and they took 7 to get to 3. They had to count back 4, so 7 take away 4, got 3, okay? Let's try a couple ourselves. So we will do this one. So 9 take away something equals 4. So I'm going to start on 9 and I want to get to 4. I'm going backwards because it's subtraction, okay? So I'm going to do my jumps until I get to 4. How many jumps did I have to go back to get to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Okay, try another one. We've got 10 take away something equals 5. So I've got 10. I want to get to 5. How many do I have to count back? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 take away 5 equals 5. So there's a few of those to do. I'm not going to do too many of them. I think they should be probably quite easy for you. Let's try and do some without the number line, okay? We're going to get rid of the number line and we're going to just try and use our fingers. Now, let me write some on the board. We'll do 12 take away something equals 3, okay? Then 12 take away something equals 3. So I'm going to put that 12 in my head and I'm going to count back till I get to 3 and see how many fingers I had to put up, and that will be how many I had to take away in the first place. So 12, I'm counting backwards, remember, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And that's where I'm stopping because that was my answer. So 12 took away this many, took me to 3. How many have I got? Well, I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 took away 9, take away 9 equals 3. So I'll rub this out because it took me 9. I had to put 9 fingers up as I counted backwards, okay? Let's do another one. We'll do 8 take away something equals 2. So I'm going to put that 8 in my head. I'm going to count back till I get to 2 and see how many I had to count back. So 8, I'll count backwards, remember, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I had to count back this many fingers. I had to count back 6. So that's how many I'd taken away. Now, there's another way of working these out, and some people find this easier. So imagine I have 15 sweets, okay? I've got 15 sweets here, one. I take away something, and now I've got 13. So I had 15, I took away some, and now I've got 13. How many? Well, to find out what this missing number is, imagine this is me, right? This is Hugo. He gives away some sweets to Jonty, okay? And then Hugo only has 13 left. We want to find out how many Hugo gave to Jonty. How many he took away. So he wants to get from 13 that he has now back to where he started for 15. So you can count on from 13 to 15 and see how many more you need to add on. So let's do that. 13, 14, 15. So Hugo must have given Jonty 2 sweets. Okay, let's try another one with someone else. We'll go for 14 take away something equals 7. We're going to go for Hope had 14 sweets. She gave away some to Mila. And now Hope only has 7 sweets. So she had 14. She gave some away. She took some away, subtracted them. She only has 7 now. How many has she given away? Let's see how many it takes us to get from 7 back to 14 by counting on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hope had given away 7 because she needs 7 to get back to where she started. So 14 take away 7 is 7. Okay, we'll do one more. This time I'm going to go for Jasper. He's giving his sweets to Mrs. Walker. Okay, Jasper's going to have 13 sweets. He's going to take away some, give them to Mrs. Walker, and Jasper is only going to have 4 sweets left, okay? So we want to get from 4 back to 13 to find out how many Jasper's given away. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Jasper has given Mrs. Walker 9 sweets. So 13 take away 9 is 4. So there's some questions like that for you to do today. You can do them either way, taking away or counting on to get the answer. You're going to get the same answer. Maybe you could actually do it both ways and check if you get the same answer, okay? So best of luck, year 1. We'll go through the quiz answers this afternoon. There's a few tricky questions yesterday, so you can let me know how you get on today in the comments on Teams, okay? See you later.